Okay, so you got washing machine and it's not agitating anymore, where this thing just kind of just spins back and forth. I already got it undone, but I'm going to show you what I did. This part does not catch anymore. You have to take off the top. Some of them just have a top, some of them have this fabric softener thing out. It just pulls off. So just a cup. And down inside it is a little cover. Pull that off. And then outside of there's a bolt. You have to take that off. And you can yank the whole thing right off the top. Yank being the operative word. Like I said, I've already done it, so I just want to make sure that everything worked right in the video before I try to tell you how to do it. And then what you'll find is this piece right here. And then you'll have this thing, which if you see these little plastic things right here, they're called dogs. And what they do is they catch on the little ridges inside there while this thing turns, and it makes it keep going in one direction. And all you gotta do is replace these, and I get like a whole bag of them right here. So it's fairly easy to do. I'd say it's like a 10-minute job. Usually. This little cover here pops off, and you can get to them. And just put a new one in its place. And go all the way around. And of course, there's only one way they go in. You'll see how they fit in there. See how it's got the little notch that it goes into. And you just put your cover back on to lock those in there. And now we get to reverse the whole thing. You shouldn't have to take the bottom part out, but I just pulled the whole thing out because it was I thought it'd be easier, but I don't think you need to do that. Just put that back on like so. Put this down inside there. It's keyed so it'll line up the way it's supposed to, and I think I just messed it up. Okay, we start again. Okay, I see where I was having the difficulty. When I was trying to put that in there, the little dogs were sticking out and they would catch on that ridge and then they'd pop out. So now I got them all in there now. Okay, now I got it back in there, and I don't know if you can see in there that when I try to turn this one way, it turns freely, and then I go back, it locks up. It's going to catch, so it turns the whole bottom piece there. And that's how if you look in there and all four of them are sticking out where they should be, then you know you got it right. And then you just put your bolt back in there. This is the more difficult part in the whole thing. Tighten that up. Don't have to be super duper tight. This has to be reasonably tight. I'll need two hands to do that. I don't have a tripod, so we'll just do that. It just has to be snug. Because remember, you're gonna have to take that apart again in a few years, depending on how often you use your machine. But just check it one more time. It should go freely one direction and then catch that bottom piece like that. Cover back on. I mean, some of them may be a little bit different when it comes to that cover. Probably could have cleaned that up a little bit. Maybe I'll do that. But then this will just go back on, pop that on, and you're ready to go. Alright, let it fill up with some water. There's no clothes in there. I don't actually have any wash to do because it broke just the last time I did clothes. So I'm going to get ready. If you get headphones on, it's going to be kind of loud. There you go. It actually took me longer to make the video than it did to actually do the job. And that's a simple fix. There you go. Hope that helps. Y'all have a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.